On a dreary night when few might volunteer to leave home.
Hey, Michaela, this is Will. I'm a volunteer with Organizing for America.
Will Haler is volunteering to help pass health care.
Why not come out? You know, I think now's the perfect time to get health insurance reform.
Hi, is this Ruta?
Volunteers with the group Organizing for America hit the phones tonight down in T, calling area seniors and urging them to contact their lawmakers about health care reform, whether they support the idea or not.
Jerome Parm is part of the group Organizing for America, the grassroots coalition that helped Barack Obama win the White House last November. The group is now helping push some of the president's top priorities, putting together what's being called a National Day of Action.
In support of the health care reform that will be going through Congress within the next couple weeks.
One by one, members of the group Organizing for America called senior citizens and folks typically home during the day to help campaign for the president's health care reform plan.
We're not interested in drastic change in the health care system. We want to do something that's going to help average citizens and is going to improve our economic future.
Supporters of President Obama's health care plan are working to build support in North Carolina today. The Democratic National Committee's Organizing for America is holding several forums across the state today.
Well, here in Charlotte, they're meeting at East Stonewall AME Zion Church tonight at 6 o'clock. Now, Organizing for America wants to spur 100,000 phone calls to Congress in support of health care reform. Now, in support of health care reform.
Congress inundated with hundreds of thousands of phone calls for Health Care Action Day.
Nationally, they already made their goal of 100,000 commitments to call legislators. So that's pretty good. They did that by 3:30, and we were thinking we were going to be doing it tonight. So now we have a new goal of 200,000.
Well, you may get a call tonight from local Democrats asking you to support health care reform.
Members of the group North Carolina Organizing for America are holding a, quote, time to deliver health insurance reform event. They're at the Buncombe County Democratic Party headquarters participating in phone banks.
So volunteers are making their calls here in Raleigh as well as Carrboro and Fayetteville. The president will address these volunteers tonight at 8 through a webcast.
Hello, New York!
Halfway through, encouragement via webcast from the rallier-in-chief.
Now's the time to make sure that every American has affordable health care. That's what we're fighting for.
Across the country today, folks who are in favor of health care reform attended Time to Deliver events. They were put on by the Organization for America, or OFA. In Maine, the events were held in Arundel, Rangeley, and Bangor.
Good evening. Alaskans are dialing the digits to their local congressmen. They're joining thousands of people across the country making calls to show their support for health care reform.